Haki grants access, yet devil fruits often determine victory. Early battles treat abilities as puzzles of counters and properties. Water overcomes sand, rubber withstands lightning. Marine Ford demonstrates scale through quakes, magma, ice, and light. Haki stabilizes combat by touching logias and reading attacks. Still, devil fruits are decisive verbs to battle. They enable teleportation, swapping, nullification, age, and terrain manipulation. Map control often outweighs brute damage or endurance. Logias and mythical zones reshape space, weather, and movement. Many fruits create win conditions independent of attrition. Sugar, Perona, and Kumar exemplify sudden end states. All the fun and mysterious in one piece was and is delivered by devil fruits. Fruit combinations scale more flexibly than Haki alone. Combat rules may favor the right fruit before statistics matter. Blackbeard typifies this meta breaker through suppression and follow-up power. Environmental dominance matters in lava, ice, sea, and enclosed arenas. All the fun and mysterious in one piece was and is delivered by devil fruits. Law's room bypasses armor by rewriting engagement rules. Armament, observation, and conquerors Haki each answer specific threats. However, Haki cannot grant flight, regeneration, teleportation, or awakening. Awakening externalizes power and transforms surroundings into the user's system. Luffy's Gear 4th is not used anymore and all his armament Haki stuff. Why? Cause Gear 5th Mechanica Luni Force is unbeatable. Luffy's victories over Crocodile and Enel were property-based solutions. All the fun and mysterious in one piece was and is delivered by devil fruits. Doflamingo and Katakuri show how awakened domains control battlefields. Kaido's aerial power and elemental reach depend on his dragon fruit. Shanks proves extraordinary Haki can compete without a fruit. Yet competition is not the same as rewriting combat rules. A hit on a Logia does not erase flight or area control. Mythical zones and Logias therefore set an upper ceiling. Post-Haki, fruits still decide how most victories are achieved. Haki is the license, fruits are the operating system. There is no fun and mystery without devil fruits. Oda created them and all manga copied and created similar stuff after him. Awakening is the final multiplier. At equal Haki, richer battle verbs usually win more matchups. There is no fun and mystery without devil fruits. Oda created them and all manga copied and created similar stuff after him. Set sail with the One Piece analyst. Reader since 1997.